Hi everyone, I'm Abdullah Jalal and today I'm here to introduce the LEGO Mindstorm software. So as you can see here, it's the LEGO Mindstorm software. So before getting into the software, let me tell you that the LEGO Mindstorm has its own website and software. By using its website, you can check out new robots and you can construct them too. And by using its software, you can program your robots. So let's get into software. So here's the logo, and so now the LEGO Mindstorm software has been opened, and as you can see here you can see some robots. So basically these robots are the main and advanced robot of LEGO Mindstorm, and you can construct and program any of it. So as you place the cursor on any of these robots, you can see the options build and program. So by clicking on this option, you can build and construct this robot. So as I press on this option, the screen will appear like this. So here at my right, here's a video. So by checking its video, you can check it out that how this robot is going to work. And at here, this option will show you the construction of this robot. So by pressing this one, you can see start building. So here's it's showing that how you are going to build it. It's showing the blocks. So by following these steps, you can construct this robot. So let's get to its screen. So as you click on any of this robot, it will show its information and that what this robot is and what sensor does it use. And at its bottom, you can see quick start. So these options shows that what the LEGO Mindstorm software is and how you can work on it. So and after you press the option more robots, you can check out some more robot and some more advanced robots. And by clicking on robot remix, you can check out the robot that have people made in our surroundings. So here are some robots that have people made, and this option, the speaker one, it is used to make the sound of this LEGO Mindstorm. So if you don't like the noise of the software, you can just simply click on this speaker icon and the sound will be made. And here's the option of open reset. So as you click on it, it will show the project that you have opened recently. So let's get to this thing. So here as you can see, here's a plus icon. So by clicking on this icon, you can start your project. So as you click, it will show the programming side. So here you can start your programming. And at the bottom of this screen, here are the blocks. So to program your robot, you have to drag and drop these blocks. So all of them blocks are different from each other and they are used for different purposes. And right here, here's option span. So by clicking on it, you can just drag and drop the blocks. And if you have done your programming, you just press simply Ctrl S and save it wherever you want. So let me save it LEGO Mindstorm. So it's now saved and it's all. And as you can see here, here's a file option. So from here you can also open a new project or open a recent one. And by clicking on this edit option, you can undo, redo or any action, and using these help. If you want to take any help or want to know about this software, you can just click on the help option and check it out and what you want to know. So that's today, and I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.